Ever wondered how many germs are hiding on the surfaces you touch every day? Do you think a quick wipe down is enough to keep them at bay? If you've been rethinking your cleaning routine lately, you're not alone. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. High-touch surfaces like door handles, light switches, and phone screens are hotspots for bacteria and viruses. In this guide, we'll show you how to keep these surfaces germ-free and why it matters. Stay with us to learn simple tips that make a big difference. By the end of this blog, you'll know which surfaces need extra attention, the best ways to clean and disinfect them, and why this can make a world of difference in your home or workplace. Plus, you'll find out whether you're cleaning effectively or just moving germs around. Watch on to keep your space safer and healthier. What are high-touch surfaces? Let's start by understanding what we mean by high-touch surfaces. These are areas that people frequently touch with their hands throughout the day. Because they get touched so often, they are more likely to collect germs, bacteria, and viruses. High-touch surfaces are found everywhere at home, in the office, in public spaces, and keeping them clean is key to preventing illness. Can you think of surfaces in your home or workplace that get touched the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's compare. Key high-touch surfaces you should be cleaning regularly. Some surfaces are more likely to harbor germs than others. Here are the most common high-touch surfaces you should focus on: door handles and light switches. These are touched multiple times daily by different people, making them prime spots for germs to gather. Kitchen and bathroom fixtures, think taps, appliance handles, and countertops. These surfaces are frequently touched and can easily become contaminated. Electronics, remote controls, phones, keyboards, and tablets are often shared and rarely cleaned, making them hotbeds for germs. Handrails and stair banisters, these are essential for safety, but they are also touched frequently by everyone, especially in public spaces or busy homes. Furniture touchpoints, the arms of chairs, the backs of seats, and table edges are often overlooked but are regularly handled. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. What other high-touch surfaces do you find in your daily life? Share your ideas in the comments, we'd love to hear what you think. How to effectively clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces. Knowing which surfaces to focus on is just the beginning. It's equally important to clean and disinfect them properly. Here's how you can do it effectively. Choose the right cleaner. Not all cleaning products are created equal. Look for disinfectants that are proven to kill viruses and bacteria effectively. Make sure they are suitable for the surfaces you're cleaning. Clean before you disinfect. Dirt and grime can reduce the effectiveness of disinfectants. Always start by cleaning the surface with soap and water or a suitable cleaner. Then, apply the disinfectant. Pay attention to the method. Apply enough disinfectant to keep the surface wet for the duration specified on the product label. This ensures that the disinfectant has enough time to kill the germs. Frequency is key. High-touch surfaces should be cleaned and disinfected regularly, ideally at least once a day. Increase the frequency if someone in your home or workplace is unwell. Have any of these tips surprised you? Let us know if you have any other cleaning tricks up your sleeve. Cleaning versus disinfecting, what's the difference? Cleaning and disinfecting might sound similar, but they serve different purposes. Understanding the difference is crucial for keeping your home or workplace safe. Cleaning, this step involves removing dirt, dust, and other debris from surfaces. It doesn't necessarily kill germs, but it reduces their numbers and helps make disinfecting more effective. Disinfecting, this involves using chemicals to kill germs on surfaces. It's particularly important for high-touch areas to stop the spread of bacteria and viruses. Do you usually clean or disinfect, or both? Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.